Okay, everyone, welcome back again to CodeLibrary.net tutorial. In this video, I would like to show you about how to run PHP codes in Visual Studio Codes. In order to run PHP codes in VS Code, first requirement you need to download and install VS Code. In order to install VS Code, because VS Code is a open source IDE, you need to search in a web browser. You can go to VS Code, okay, and you can select to VS Code which version of VS Code that you would like to install, and you click to download install VS Code for Windows, for Linux, or for Mac OS, the option that you can choose. So you can download here. After then you can open. Okay, after you install already, the icon is up here on desktop, the location, and you can open Visual Studio Codes IDEs. Okay, and some extension that you need to install. Some extension that you need to install in VS Code. Okay, I can show you in the extension that you use to run VS Code, run PHP program in VS Code. So you need to go to extension, and you can search for PHP. Okay. Okay. First, you need to install PHP Intelligent. Any one of PHP version that you can install. Intelligent. Okay. PHP Intelligent. This one also you can run a PHP program, or you can write code PHP. Edit PHP codes in VS Code, also create PHP file. Another way you can, in order to run, because PHP run on server side, and it is a scripting language, so it run on server side. So you need to install PHP server. Another way, you can install this PHP server in order to run PHP codes, because PHP is running on server. So in conclusion, in order to run PHP, you need to install some extension like PHP program or PHP intelligent. And second is you install extension is PHP server in order to run PHP codes. Okay, and then you can go to create PHP file in order to run PHP. That's all. Thank you for watching the video that how to run codes, PHP code in VS Code. Thank you. See you in the video. Please subscribe my channel, and we will learn more about web development also. Thank you.